Programming shouldn't be boring. Let's play a coding games puzzle today. Hi, let's play and solve a puzzle titled There's No Spoon by Codingame. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good part of the front-end development. If this is your first time here, you wanna learn front-end and JavaScript, start now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. The story tells, Zion is being attacked from everywhere. The last 3 humans count on you to enhance the triggering mechanism of the APUs in order to give humanity a decisive tactical advantage. First phase, called the initial mechanism of the APU. In this puzzle, you have to detect special characters from a string. You also have to store input values into a grid to explore it. To win this game, I need to find the horizontal and vertical neighbors nodes from a 2-dimensional array. Sounds easy? Let's use Yoda notation. Yoda notation, or Yoda conditions, is a programming style where the 2 parts of the expression are reversed from the typical order in a conditional statement. A Yoda condition places the constant portion of the expression on the left side of the conditional statement. Let's dive into the code. Read the number of cells. Store all rows. Each symbol of the row can be either 0 or dot. Stop iterating when the current cell is empty. When I'm talking about empty, I mean dot symbol. Get the very right cell as x2 variable. Get the cell immediately below as y3 variable. If y3 is not empty, then store its position and stop iterating. Add to the result the found values, the very right cell and below cell. Test it. Well done! That's pretty easy, isn't it? Next time, let's have a look at more Slender episode 2. My code is available on GitHub, documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.